So you can see that this video has certain level of color applied to it, and if you want to go around and change it, then you can choose this video clip right here and then go around under the fix option right here and open to apply adjustments right here. Then you can see that color is an option right here, and here you can see that there's different color that you can apply. You can choose auto color and it'll detect out the color, and you can go around and choose various effects of colors over here just like this as well, just like this, and change around the hue. You can also go around and change around the lightening of the color right here. You can make it dark right here, or you can make it bright right here and choose the lightness as you like. Then you got saturation, so you can go around, make it very saturated right here, or very dark as you can see right here, and that is what you have. Similarly, you got the vibrance right here, so let's go around onto vibrance. So vibrance actually goes around and then makes the less colorful areas more colorful. That is what vibrance is. So if I were to go around onto more, then you can see that you get the hue option right here just like this. So you get the hue level as you like right here, and you can change around the hue as you like just like this right here. So you can go around and click and drag this out right here and change this out as you can see just like this, and get that sweet spot right here to change out the color look as you like. Then you got the lightness right here, then you got the saturation to right here just like this, and the vibrance over here as well. So vibrance really goes around and adds in color to it just like this. So this is how you can go around and change around the color option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements for script for clips inside of QuickView. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.